Model to deal with COVID has been applauded not only in India but across the world. One such person who's managing the BMC's COVID decisions is Mr. Suresh Kakani. He is the head for COVID at BMC. We met him and an interesting story came out from him was that not only he but his daughter was also working towards COVID-19 because for the last 1.5 years she has been working at the COVID-19 ward at the Nair Hospital.
Additional Municipal Commissioner Suresh Kakani said people were chasing them for beds in the first wave and the mission was to avoid that during the second wave.
We stick to our basic principles like tracking, testing and treating. But apart from that, we devised a new system, a patient-centric system you can say. Initially during the first wave, the patient used to chase us for bed through various sources. But this time, by developing a system of decentralized bed management or setting up the war room, you used to be after the patient to get admitted. Yes, to get admitted to the public facility or the private facility as per his choice.
This is Gargi Kakani, the Additional Commissioner's daughter. She has been working around the clock as a COVID warrior at Nair Hospital.
I decided to join last year. I knew that I could not stay at home because I see my almost 60-year-old father going out, and if I have an MBBS degree and I'm sitting at home and I'm afraid of a virus, which you should be afraid of, but I see him and he's not afraid, and I thought to myself, maybe I can do this as well too, you know. And here I am. I did not want him to go out there alone. I wanted to be there with him on the front line and do this.
Both the father-daughter duo are working to make Mumbai COVID-free. While Mr. Suresh Kakani says that there were 25 beds in Mumbai at the starting of COVID last year, but now Mumbai has approximately 70,000 beds. Mumbai's COVID model is well applauded, and what we've seen is from a peak of 11,500 cases sometime in April, Mumbai's case has fallen down to less than 1,000 now. All the credits go to BMC, who managed to do this 3T concept: tracing, tracking and treating, and are trying to bring down the number of COVID cases in Mumbai. This is Yesha with Vijay Sunil for Republic Media Network.